Hi there, Dilara from BHuman here. So you want your videos to sound as realistic as possible, and we get that. Authenticity matters, especially when you're speaking different languages with different accents. Sometimes it can be a bit difficult for it to sound as realistic as possible. These are some tips you can use to help achieve that. So the first thing you're going to do is basically find the sweet spot. And what I mean by this is to find a quiet spot that you can go to where you can record. You want there to be no background noises as well as no echoing, and this is so that the AI can hear you really nice, loud and clear, and also identify the different aspects of your voice, your accent, the language that you're speaking, etc. And if you're feeling fancy, I would suggest to use noise cancelling microphone as well. This next step is all about pronunciation. You're going to want to speak up, use emotion, as well as enunciate. This is really going to help the AI identify your voice and make it as realistic as possible. Okay, and lastly, what I would suggest is to sprinkle in some native phrases to go beyond the basics. Basically, what I mean by this is, for example, if you're speaking German, don't say hello, name. Maybe you'd want to say Guten Tag, name. And this is so that the AI can understand that you are speaking another language, so try to use as little English as possible. In a nutshell, language isn't just a bunch of words, it's more than that. Stick to these tips and tricks and your video should come out looking flawless. As always, if you need anything else, any questions or queries, feel free to reach out.